Hi, this is Meghna and my teammates are Shravani and Pavani Priya. Now I am going to explain detecting plant leaf diseases based on image classification using deep learning. Abstract. Potato leaf disease detection in an early stage is challenging because of variations in crop species, crop diseases, symptoms, and environmental factors. These factors make it difficult to detect potato leaf diseases in the early stage. In this research, a multi-level deep learning model for potato leaf disease recognition has developed. At the first level, it extracts the potato leaves from the potato plant image using the ResNet50 image segmentation technique on the potato leaf disease dataset. At the second level, a novel deep learning technique has been developed using a convolutional neural network to detect the early blight and the late blight potato diseases from the potato leaf images. The proposed potato leaf disease detection model was trained and tested on a potato leaf disease dataset. Objectives. Aim of the project. The main aim of the project is to classify the potato leaf diseases with ResNet50. Scope of the project. We can embed this model into wireless sensor network and robotics. Early prediction of diseases in potato plant. Farmers can increase the production of potato crop. Introduction. There are many different professions in the world, but agriculture is by far the most important of them. The Indian economy is no exception and is heavily dependent on agriculture. Potatoes are the most versatile crop, accounting for about 28.9% of India's total crop production. The main causes of these diseases are microorganisms, genetic diseases, and infectious agents such as bacteria, viruses. Fungi and bacteria are primarily responsible for potato leaf disease. The plant diseases affect the leaves, stems, roots, and fruits. It also affects the crop quality and quantity, which causes the food deprivation and insecurity throughout the world. The factors affecting the plants and their products are categorized as diseases and disorders. The biotic factors are the diseases caused by algae, fungi, or bacteria, whereas the biotic factors inducing disorders are rainfall, moisture, temperature, and nutrient deficiency. Now, my friend will explain the literature review.
In literature review, we had studied about some papers which used CNN technology on different plant with VGG16 algorithm. Based on the papers, we had proposed a new project with residual network 50 algorithm. And coming to design and methodology, first we had collected the datasets from Kaggle platform. After that, we had to in that we input all the libraries that are needed and import the data sets and scripting the data sets and then go to data cleaning, and in the data cleaning we have to identifying and correcting errors in the data set, and it also refer to the all kinds of tasks and activities to detect and repair errors in the data. And then go to module 2, we have go training and validation using ResNet50, and in that ResNet50 that has 50 layers deep, and we can hold a pre-trained version of the network. And then go to testing and evaluation. In the testing and evaluation, we have some leaves we find out that is which are blind, like late blind or early blind, like that. And we follow in that is standards and policies we followed by IEE papers. And then go to architecture diagram. In that architecture diagram, the first layer to extract elements from an appended image and learn the relationships between the elements using kernel and filter with input images. And then the performance of the proposed potato leaf diseases detection, and we have to evaluate on the potato leaf data sets. We all these developed by capturing the images of potato leaves. And then go to data flow diagram, and in that we have to categorize and process it and rename it into appropriate folders. And we all display the defective plants, all diseases and remedies. And this is a sequence diagram, and in this sequence diagram we demonstrate how the techniques or process work with each other, and also gives the information about in which order they are working. And in this diagram first the user uploads an image in the website, and then certain filters and data augmentation is applied on the uploaded image. And by using a ResNet50 algorithm which overcomes the vanishing the problem, and it compares the uploaded image with the images present in the dataset and give back the feedback to the user.
Testing. In testing, there are four types of testings. First one is unit testing, which is a machine learning project that ensures the logic, algorithm, and the functions are correct or not, and its process should be more accurate. Unit testing is implemented on data inputs and outputs of the applied model to verify that the model is working and within the given valid tolerances. Next one is integration testing. Integration testing ensures that the collaboration of front-end software and convolutional neural network both are working well after integrating them. First, the model is trained using ResNet classifier and using the weights that the prediction is done. And coming to the functional testing is a type of testing that seeks to establish whether each application feature working as per the software requirements. Next, white box testing. White box testing models are the types of models which can clearly explain how they behave and how they produce the predictions and what the influencing variables are. Coming to the black box testing, which refers to the testing with no knowledge about the internal details of the model, such as algorithm, and used to create its features in it. The main objective of the black box testing is to ensure the quality of the models in a sustained manner. And here comes the input and output images of our project. Coming to the conclusion, the model is used by trained by the ResNet50 classifier, and it's tested with various images of the potato leaves. The prediction accuracy is also 98.75%, and it's also used in various applications in future, like integrating it with farming robots which can identify and detect the diseases earlier and improves the yielding, so that the farmer which can identify diseases and mark them. And coming to our future enhancements, such research would be extended to the multiple disease detection on a single leaf and to localize the diseases, severity estimation, enhance the PLD dataset, develop IoT based real time monitoring system, develop a website and launch a mobile application. And we can also create an app regarding this classification of diseases. The general accuracy of the system can be improved using 3D convolution network, also ResNet50 algorithm, which is a 50 layer deep. We can load a pre-trained version of the network trained on more than a million images from the database. The pre-trained network can classify images into 100 object categories. Here is our web page where we can upload an image of the potato disease plant. Then the output will shows what kind of disease is that and the remedy for the disease with confidence score.